Ever wonder why you hit an absolute wall around 3 p.m.? Most people blame their lunch. They blame the pasta, the sandwich, or the food coma.
But what if I told you that your afternoon crash has almost nothing to do with what's on your plate? In fact, you could eat a plain kale salad and you'd likely still feel like a zombie by mid-afternoon. Today I'm going to show you why your low energy after lunch is actually hardwired into your biology. And more importantly, I'll give you the exact first best habits to reboot your brain in less than 10 minutes. Picture this. It's 2:15 p.m. You just got back to your desk, you open your laptop, and boom, your eyelids feel like they weigh 20 pounds. The words on your screen start to blur and your focus is just gone. You're officially in the dead zone. So what do? You head straight for the coffee machine. It's your third cup of the day, maybe your fourth. You drink it hoping for a miracle. But 30 minutes later, you're just as tired, only now you're tired wired. Your heart is racing, but your brain is still trapped in a thick brain fog. You're physically there, but mentally, you're offline. If you're a parent, a freelancer, or anyone trying to stay productive, this isn't just a nuisance, it's a massive drain on your life. If you search for tired after lunch online, you'll get the same tired advice. It's your blood sugar, it's the carbs, your body is stealing blood from your brain to digest. It sounds logical, right? You eat heavy, you feel heavy. That's the energy myth we've all been sold. And it's why millions of people cut out carbs or try sad salads for lunch, only to find they still crash at 3 p.m. While blood sugar regulation matters, it's not the main reason you're struggling. The real culprit is written in your DNA. What's happening to you between 2 and 4 p.m. is pure biology. Think of your body as a smart home with an automated lighting system. In the morning, your cortisol, your get up and go hormone, peaks to wake you up. But about 7 to 8 hours later, your cortisol levels afternoon naturally dip. It's not a glitch, it's a feature. But there's a second player in this game, adenosine. Think of adenosine as biological dust that builds up on the floor of your brain every minute you're awake. The longer you're awake, the more dust accumulates, creating sleep pressure. By mid-afternoon, that dust layer is thick enough to slow your system down. Combine that with your ultradian rhythms, natural 90-minute energy waves, and you hit what scientists call the circadian trough. It's the perfect biological storm. Low cortisol, high adenosine, and a natural dip in your energy wave. It happens whether you eat a burger or a bowl of spinach. So, are we just victims of our biology? Not at all. You just need to stop fighting your body and start working with it. Here are 3 science-backed energy tips you can start using tomorrow. First, the 90-minute caffeine rule. If you're drinking coffee the second your feet hit the floor at 7 a.m., you're setting yourself up for a crash. Caffeine doesn't actually get rid of that adenosine dust. It just puts a rug over it. If you cover it up too early, the dust keeps building up underneath. When the caffeine wears off around lunchtime, you get hit by a massive wave of tiredness all at once. The fix? Wait 90 to 120 minutes after waking up before having your first cup. This allows your body to clear out the overnight adenosine naturally. This one shift is a total game changer for your afternoon focus. Second, the circadian reset. When you feel those low energy symptoms kicking in, your instinct is to curl up in your chair. Do the opposite. Get outside for a 10-minute walk. It's not about the workout, it's about the light. Even on a cloudy day, natural light hits your eyes and sends a daytime signal to your brain's master clock. It triggers a small hit of cortisol and helps your body process that post-lunch glucose. It's the simplest, cheapest way to clear the fog. Third, the neural reboot, NSDR. If your brain is completely fried, don't try to power through. Try NSDR or non-sleep deep rest. This is a pro-level biohacking tool. It's not a nap. Naps can leave you feeling groggy and disoriented. Instead, take 10 minutes, close your eyes, and follow a guided breathing track or just sit in total stillness. It lowers your nervous system's rev count and clears that adenosine pressure without the sleep hangover. 10 minutes of NSDR can feel like an hour of sleep for your brain. Let's recap your new anti-crash protocol. In the morning, delay your caffeine for 2 hours. After lunch, get 10 minutes of natural light and movement. And if the afternoon slump hits hard, take a 10-minute neural reboot instead of reaching for a 4th espresso. You're not fighting your biology anymore, you're optimizing it. Beating the afternoon crash is about understanding the mechanics of your own body.
Try these for the next days, and you feel the difference in your clarity and your mood.
We've also added some resources and links in the description below if you want to go deeper. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed ways to upgrade your life.
Now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to move when you feel tired at 3 p.m.? Do you reach for sugar, coffee, or do you just power through? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.